Hey everyone, this is C Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is August 20th, 2026, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news, specifically for investors in Southeast Asia. We have a lot to cover today. Bitcoin is near $69,475, up 0.27% with a session high of $69,861. Keep an eye on those levels. Ethereum is near $2,259, up 0.32%. Solana is near $85, down 0.36%. Market movement is mixed. The tone flipped. Bitcoin briefly punched 70,000 for the first time since June. ETF flows turned green again, signaling renewed institutional interest across the board. And Vietnam's new penalty rules are just 4 days away. Moving on to our first big story of the day, Bitcoin tagged $70,000 during the August 19th session, the first time since early June. This move wiped out about $1.4 billion of short positions in a single day. Three catalysts stacked: renewed U.S. spot ETF inflows, and a U.S. Treasury decision to expand bond buybacks. This starts September 9th alongside Washington's renewed push on the Clarity Act. The tape has since cooled back near 69,500, but the range broke. My take? This is a re-rating, not a top. Watch whether 68,000 holds as new support. Now for our second story on the latest ETF flows. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF flows have flipped positive again after a brief cooling period. On August 17th, the group pulled in about $297.6 million. And on August 18th, another $189.3 million, totaling $487 million. BlackRock's IBIT led with $143.6 million on August 18th alone. That accounted for close to 76% of that day's total inflow. Quite a reversal. This flips the script from the $405 million single-day IBIT outflow we covered recently, lifting August month-to-date inflows near $951 million. Concentration is a warning sign. For regional holders, the American ETF wave remains the biggest short-term demand signal to watch. Finally, let's look at the new crypto rules in Vietnam. Vietnam's new administrative penalty rules for unlicensed crypto activity are nearly here. Decree 284/2026 takes effect September 1st. Mark your calendars. Domestic investors face fines up to 50 million dong for using unlicensed trading platforms. Service providers operating without a license face much higher fines, up to 200 million dong. Only about 5 companies have been cleared under the 5-year pilot so far. High capital required. Paid-in capital requirements are around 10 trillion dong, or $382 million per operator. Vietnamese users on offshore apps have a very tight window to reassess their trading activity. Risk reduction moves this week are much cheaper than compliance moves after enforcement starts. Quick recap. Bitcoin briefly tagged 70,000 as U.S. Treasury buybacks and ETF inflows align. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs pulled in about $487 million across 2 days. And Vietnam's Decree 284 goes live September 1st with heavy fines for unlicensed activity. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. Trade safely, everyone. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And for more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. Link in description. We will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more crypto updates.